Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today the topic of this video is the adjusted or the standardized rates. So it is the method of removing the confounding factors, which are the confounding effect, which is the confusing effects during the comparison between the two population. For example, in India there is a more working population, whereas in the population of the Japan there is a more number of elder population. So they differ in the mortality rates in their particular population. So it will create the age specific mortality ratio. So there it after that it comes to the confusion, what actually refers. So we came to the summary to that prepare a standard population so that we can compare the both population. So the standardization is the single standardized or the adjusted rate, so that the mortality experience can be compared directly. So there are the two methods of the standardization. One is the direct method of the standardization, and the another method is the indirect method of the standardization. In the direct method of the standardization, we use the standard population, in which we knows the data of the age specific the death rates. So we have data of the age, sex, and the death rates at that population. The basically in the direct standardization method, we have to uh, consider the standard population, or we have to make the standard population by combining the two population. Whereas indirect method, we just consider the standardized mortality rates, standardized mortality ratio, which can be denoted as observed deaths by the expected deaths multiplied by 100. So and the other standardized techniques can be used in the indirect standardization, such as the life tables, regression techniques, and multivariant analysis. So there are some steps. So in the direct standardization method, it will give the different rates, but this does not matter, because the procedure behind finding the procedure of the standardization allows them to compare between the two populations, and or between themselves. In short, there are the two methods: direct method of the standardization, indirect method of the standardization. So in direct method of the standardization, if we have to take data directly from the, as we know, the standard population, or we have to create a standardized population by combining the two. And the indirect standardization method, we use the standardized mortality ratio and the other methods such as live tables, multivariant analysis, and the regression techniques. So in the next video we are going to see the standardized mortality ratio. So till then, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.